To me, I didn't know. And I saw when he saw a cock of a job and then a year. And you was a fool in a buyer Sabiha. Near the double doom. Now, one more, the binti, Omabekaha. I will binti, Yamia binti, Omabekaha. And your many never for binti, Omabekaha. No one here said Obibwa woman. And now so when he saw the Wakwan in a year in your bush and I'll be pure. And himself who would the way the car year. Na honemu so na nipa so na eye the senti na waka wako ne yire akoma so omumra no mso meyi nipa mfiri mpokire mu na no ombusa wo se de so wani akomtena so wani mpo kase ne se ye beyi nkofo afiri mpokire mu na no so na wako eye ne nei ye bompa ye Paul kan asem bi wo Philippi fo ngoma etimi ensa nyimudu no se God I may know him se beyi ami mehu Kristo awurade enim se adoya wako ene ne yire ebeye ne nei enam to mani pani bia omu benya sefa wo mu no omu behunu wo Kristo mejo nyakopo obosoro yasase ojo to makoma 10 must ba $2,000 you to makoma 10 de ma Suntreso Hospital $20,000 na ya da boa aban kasa aban ko ntimi nya ese nyina so boa na aban so de aban ho to no dum so kakra me wono yesa me nyesika bi na abro so na ayema homti esa ayema mo ho a se ma beduru na bu bi se no ye fa shi na gopon me nyam do de me demaso Owura Kofi Job ene ne irase pa omu hyebo no mu adi so omu ka se ombeba ha ba behwe ona ahokyire nti ebi a omu ntimi ntu omu ka omu se nipa dodo no wo insurance so de nanso to ebi ana kanketwa ba ko ana mienu bi abem se ebasa ya na sese system edi ye adwuma no na ye ntwotwo nkrata so bi enti ka afidie no so ene se kyena wo san ba afidie no beka se bi a wodeka enti we na ye Owura Kofi Job be hu ya Osi emo ni nyina no ma no na onsum anokwa ye ni ajepa oba enso nya no nko no abaye otua na mo ahwehwe hospital ha nyina ebise ensemese obi se nyina ahwe kwan obafa so a obesi aboa ye bom paye se onyame beka na koma do na wama na hoden na bo obehye ha no otimi aye enye ne a okan se oba abaye no nko na mom ni obehu ha no so wahye ho bo ejiri se onyame betumi ama ebo a wahye no abem de bia ye ka se ayaresa bia ete se asieye emusieye enye den adako ye bekọ ho ne da ye bekọ no na yenim nti se uhu bebia hospital wa na wahwe se hey bia adako me ba beda ha na menim se wo sori akọ hospital se me hu mfa me kwa ayaresa bia dia wo so control nemo ye mfa ne nkode oni beti na wo ha enti ifane se wo siesie bebia dachi ye kase yemfa ne nkwa obeti wani no na oda baby a eye ahomeka enti anope mi gina hospital mpanimfo a wa ha ene adwumayefo nyina ne wo mo beje ayaresa e wa ha e di aseda kese e ma Owura Kofi Job ene ne yire e wa na mo motuo no ye gidi se ne bo mo ahye bia no ombedi so amaye but ni pale do se na benefit se ehwe enkrata mu no de enya be se aduanan anope ya de ne mum se ekohwe machine na mu a ebenya bebre a omo ebetime yi ni nyina frum se ne amaka no se ketua bi kra ka mu kra kata kukura oba ayaresa age se ye kwa afidie no koyi udin frum anyesa afidie no beka se odeka ewo ade no so pe na ebo modern se sanye mawe entumi ensie frame Dr. Jakumpoku mene Dr. Penimpa o ayaresa bia
mi kunu Kofi Job na ni so ade nyina ne se da bi obeboa omo a omo ni bie mo bronfo enso oni nyankopon enya apam na oye na adwen se part of the deal na ne bargain no obe ana so the tree is not flowing okay and so no oye na adwen se obi a oda hospital and even efiase no obekwa akọbọ mu ba yenyantie say ohini bi akwakoyi omu nyina nso ye na adwen so obeba hospital na obi a ode ka bia no obi make sure say ne bills no ye tiani nyina na ede ani chi aba Mrs. Esther Ochijedi
ebe hu challenge na wa no ha adwen wo hwe nsu ato atache wo ha no ode road minister honorable Sanso Boachi ode empese so ana me baba ya do yi ore wada uruma se obi anye kra na fam na menya fam mo na nhye nyakopon mo nya fise me ba se de nsu ato no enye ateke na ensoni sa nti se ona bo Sanso Boachi tia o mam privilege when am fam go asfalt hare na ha enye kama is ha de important say ya hayi obi okra na owurom so yare a ohun de say the foundation is the kwana ya de nkwetu mere etimeko to de yin na be se ona bo Sanso Boachi say ohun a otian kan TV so a omomode na onka bi nhyem na meyemom na nhyem nyame no de hyem nkrama me say I'm a man of God nyame na mejini de ni nyame wa pam na me she bo nyankopon nim say ewade ye bibi mame a mbese me ye bibi she nyankopon nim nyam na me ko yi ni pa free afiase ne ko hospital no mo problem obo a na betro wa wokra onya sika enya obo so operation onya sika timeka chama wife say onko yesa dwuma no me ba lawyer onko yesa no manyina mama na me hu nipa mo comfort ane Suntreso ya na mo problem a kakra me so mo woro yesa be menya sika bi na abusuo but ehye say radio man bi radio adom aho kire ya na yemfa mo so mu ni bie we ya make nyina obi obehim TV so bia sebe enya sika bebrebe obi a nyakopon ka wakoma bia ya yesi aban ne no manyina na sabe yebetimi dia sha aban ko ntimi nyesa no manyina ndi se obi wo ho no nyakopon atu nsem na obi kakra bia obetima ya bode hye nyakopon manyam bia no mi se nyakopon Yesu osemi krama katua di bro bia nyuma se obi nyuma sitie nyesa bia Kofi Job se Kofi Job wo skantina me bese me ya dabi me hye nyame bo ne mbabe ame ba so mababe hu no mabebrebe wo mo ha enye enti me ne me yire badwun ho na ya fa bia to enwo so se dan bi wo metimasi kura mesi me fato mo so na mesi aboa be sebe me ya asantime mu aso na awrade akira me me ya santime na e na wo tumfo so boa e hwe de na sen okwan komfo no chena na ya ho kan ye enti me so ma beduru na ma hu se enwo so da ba ko mienu bi ya me so metime ne me wife ne me company Kofi Job company e so afa to enwo so e beboa so e beboa nti ya ba ha wo mo be wo ntumi twa na de ya ba se mba betu to saka nyina afiro ne wo a omo ye operation so omo ni sika omo tima ye operation so ma ya ho bo se mbese betu to nya afiro ntira man ba nti me so fo ne me nyu panyin fo e ba ya ma no bone it does it is yes something Contractor hospital mbi ma kura bi e prani ye adwuma o watonzo kwan so se nyamo ka kwan ko ena me pe opportunity ya metumi awade be ma bibie kwa na metuma be shia na mo so mo ha kakra mo wo mo de tuma no mo so kakra metumi da bo mo na so mo me da bo mo na ma so fofo e ba ya man bo no bia se be yim sine ba o yesu
Major Contractor board any management any staff na mama woni papa fo akwaba ya ho adodo se enne aye nyame pe na ehia no kra ni se na no kwasi ada na me konkra antinka free enra eba nkonkosi efiada de mo dwumadi bebre ho ananka wo se medi won kra na me wo ho na kwame frimpon efremi PR no kan se nyame boa enne onu wabusuafo beba na nkomo bi ebre bi yediye waba no aba ba effective and something I usually do not do think I may travel in the night on the Accra road until we see move by 6 o'clock because I needed to be here to receive you. Ninyina say we do not take for granted efforts and supports like this. No cre enipa be bree wo ho a bigi di se mo aba kwa na mienu bi wo ho a ombetimi e de aba ba boy nenso so ekwan ni nyame de mo ma me ye nse kwan ni dem mo obi no oba ba be ya ne hu hia se be me nipa kro ne hu se ade na wo ye no esombo ma ye Me ba Confanoche ha 2022 December, 1st of December, and I'm shared myself as Chief Executive Officer. Suffice to say, yeah, we more Confanoche ha 6 March. And now, me Yaribia so ha, and near the member. Now, me call medical school or Care University. It training me ha. And my year, you more Confanoche so in fear, baby, and son, I may call Care University upper Potradia. And the Confanoche, baby, at Damakuma so. And GD said that was so akoma so to say the na woka say one of your workers Abraham Oye Adwuma Pride Nyankopon nam hospital isu and ejeme na Confanoche teaching hospital anka say esi no 1954 and share Adwuma dia say 1955 na me GD say yeah students of history they are aware of the presence of the sword at Confanoche edc ha se beka asa brain no chitre asanteman na include the Kofi be quiet and make ka ho nyina baaye ahemfo na wo nyina twetwa mo re ni odi gu form din se wo gu so and odi sword ni si ho se ha baba be bia sebi prediasa obra e be sha ase wa ha na aye bia nsusu a se nkofo ho dodo mo a on be ba abepe ayaresabia sabre ni nyin ni se nipa na na wo ho na bisegi se na e ba be ye bibi ti se dia aba be ye nanso baby aba be du sesei no se Ghana regions ni na 16 emu du mienu 12 se yare omukọ hospital baby a ni mu ye den aha e no mo de omoba the tosu mienu on an average every day every ejuada kosi fiada the specialist OPD clinics yenya about 1080 patients every day 1080 patients every day nukure omne se hospital ne fa bi baby wo ha CDSI no say Health Facilities Regulatory Authority omo na ma ye nkrata chese bitimi akoso ahwe nipa wa ha dey amaka na me koso akan bi say within the next 2 years and after 3 years say ya nhwani ansiesia one hwe ya ehun ba be hia so omo ba se sa portion of the hospital this year too and I'm saying you're fit for purpose nanso so I'm sure that they are minded in taking that decision, especially given the fact that sir nipa 1086 na me kan no ye hwe omo every day wa ha so wutu mo omo kwan ni giri se mo ban so mo fa emergency ho enne de ho ye pa orange ward no ye si se ebri bia patients akoso pa anye dumienu enso so na ye kase patients e ho ye 42 e kwa ko do 52 ene ne nkeka now see em fan say nurses 6 and you do go say nipa do mienu na beba ha o ma hwe o mo say patients ne ekoku do 52 a ye fan nurses ni bi nkoka ho na say nipa na dos and am say nurses 6 na ye wa de akọ ho no enu an ye wo red eko ne capacity is 7 etimi kwa akodu 18 because na no ada auditors ba ha o mo raise issue say red ho no ya na nipa no edos dodo oye nhwe kwan bia ebe fa so a ebe ye de ba kire me no mesre kire se kwan e betimi afa so ne se anke dumienu no so ana se enso ana 7 no so a obi a oba bia na aka che se ha ye ma nenso so enye decision management like this can take free Ashanti high cost road now why an established emergency center the moment we are ready ba oba che se ha ye ma o ka che se wonko nkunkunku. And I'm saying Suntreso need the capacity to receive such emergencies. In fact, as we speak, there is no hospital in this region or more an emergency physician out here. And indeed, Aquaco Bassett, Saridimia Dimpa, and as an emergency BCA, a ha, and was here a day Nipaneba. Orange, and Maca orange, Maca red, yellow, a far 18, and normally 25. And usually that is the average number of patients in your homes. Now, one of the reasons are na a whole man. Na say the patients never ward. They do what you and so sika omu be tua omu kan omu nibi. Nti ye yi and so now. And nti say idea and continue tua ne kam ye yi ni free ho a. Na che say omu da emergency hai. And ke betimi di bi akọ na ha say the beya obi foforo akwanhia bi beto no ya de ne ba no nya ba bi ada. Unfortunately, the economic circumstances of most of our patients will not allow them to be able to pay a car or modia also mutia no moko. In spite of the fact that the National Health Insurance system is in place, na itia automobiles do na at the moment. Nti nyame no kura ni yedeme ba no Otumfuo played a major role in me coming here. In fact, metimi aka say Nana do Danko Akufo-Addo and a yi me se memra. Otumfuo played a major role in me coming here. Na minya akwanya ma omumienu nyina ba ha the first 3 months am ba ha. In fact, it was January. Na ohimpon bi da. Omumienu nyina ba behwe. No ba e na edi sa nkomo no se hospital ni CDC akwa ye ne se anhwe ni anye bibi amfa ho a. Onye ya dabi ni anti asende. Mira ekan say ene nimpe committee be together na yehwe ekwan ebetimi afa so a ebetimi ahyekyere hospital ni ye enam say so here confirmatory teaching hospital a traditional, historical and cultural relations with Menchia and with Asantemai, because sword ni si hono eche the spirit of Asantemai nti ye said the Mira eche no the kokko kire no o say hamunye ni say ye ya ni kokosi ye ni he say sadia yenhwe na old block no ABCD no ehwe kwan ebetimi afaso a ebetimi a rebuild no na ye structural integrity tests niensa from 3 independent people unrelated see ehwe say the building assets ebetimi akoso edbibi ayibibi afri bibi atare ho ana because why any structural integrity test no na so start ye say obo ha ahwe ya na adwiregu enti e pass e nyina and the 10th of November last year or any boat jaw and no free send you which coach you cover my mra na a quite be a bit in your pass or a bit in your hair near CC hospital ya pass wire a nipa bibri aba na city 70 years ago. In fact, next year will be exactly 70 years when the hospital started operations. In Penifajun, it is safe to assume say a baby 50 years and sign as our renovation ya enya akwanya kura AD and mami ayo ebenya sa akwanya and nti ade bia ye bia na o se edi she etrim say se de ya it should last the test of time in the hese the mindset aye wo e say the next time renovation be it say the ye and I pese ye e be baso na ye be 50 years from now nti hese bibia be koso one na ni ma ye papa na ebeche ene yede Mecca say at some point there were a lot of people who came to ask omunimo say sebi preduasa wo ni papa adwen papa wo trim adoye nya ade bia afei na wo besua ye ade bia wo ye until they kept asking say oh na Kofi baba one of the things we have told them say sebi preduasa ranum say oba che wadwaye no osiesie media maka say teku say sempoa na nipa ne de beba no ya na mpempi ni media adwene ekachiri a nipa ne de ba no eno na ye ma ho enam say enne ye ka say ye say de be ya patients e be ye na so ibusa say patient kura oni hwan a ye mi amenu no eti hai because omo da ho ende enura na omo te se me ni wa ade a chia no pa o se ni tie ne ya o he no na no chia o he na ne friend jojo and oba beda and sometimes you catch re o say ye nipa bia beda hospital o say na se nura na me ne nati ha we forget say life to a very large extent is fleeting over here and say nyako na enso so media maka say ye come ministry nyes obi gina pulpit ani no ka nyame asem nko a se obia oya ade a na adwene mu no oya de aboa enipa abra enipa hiamboa no that person is into ministry and we share the original Hebrew translation of ministry sa na kire enti so obi ya adoye na adwene se nkofo ho kire oboa omo eno ministry say ye ti ha nyame ama esuahunu na nkofo yare se bo obi ani and I'm sure that if you give the opportunity, there are a lot of them here who have asked, say, Nunyamai. I'm sure it will put a lot of minds to rest now. People will be at peace now. Say, Afedia, Papa Nene, Hoka Fone, na so for Mama Kenina, Abba. Naminka emphasis. Whilst I hear Pesse, the business came more junior between the year human. May come what you say, wild German pa, and Yakuma pa, when ya, Nene, Odia Baham, and no some good thing. Sometimes you may not even have money, but say, oh, I didn't papa, now Wakuma pa, and near my disika, betting ya bra, says can Unibi. Imagine a penny mobile. Any young patients, and the other potential patients, Madame Hunkafwasi. Untuja Adia Obabe, Nancy Media Midi say the Kwana says, Nakuma Besho name. To the extent that a beco na Aquacoye, Ubia or Yare, no Betomo. Now Ubia said the Ashana Yari, Nancy Sika Obetia, Untimintia, Unyaquine, HSS Canacofi. The Das, Yamisham.
AGF festival no aka ne hawa wom ne so the cry bit me dia bo no apeja Contractor hospital ne ba na my wife friend say munya listen be say hu listen answer
Say we general one not the hopeless all the patients
me foundation bia December, if I be Contractor doy. What a boss at Ninyapo a boss at Namia said, with the 1 million, Baba Bedena Popanse, and the Bisa, no make a great crabby. But the girl was interested to Nomaba. The more account mobile, no from 1 million Ghana. I mean, the 20 is Ghana 10 billion, 1 million Ghana, minimum at the bois, Musum Fante, more Hanosubi. Now, what I can say, Mom.
Wow.
December, minimum date in India. A pin now copy to the December. The same year, they can see me come for nothing. If it's a 7. Nyakopon, or seen in Shiran among the power before. Or so bread money in Fabian County. Who is Kofi? If you have been free, needed Yamima Bedra. So you see that we can take off another crime in every one. What is a bit messy? Okay, the same I go on say. More come with them idea, me from 1 million Ghana. Now, if you never copy to the December, no, the minimum the be should be no. See what the one smart. Now, about there, Abraham no so kakra mo so mutum da ye no. Say you call Suntreso say baby wa baby ade ankura MBU ibu wa say ankura wo ya won kura munya bi o ba ko be so be say me to time o Ghana ya kaza Ghana ni nyina o etimi ka say bibia ya jama aban bon homo don so bi say ankura nyagopon atu mu nsemu a mu bi yesire o mu nyagopon po macho kakra mo bi bia nyese bebrebe me mo ahoden a awade da dum ahoden betime nya bi ayama na bro so ame mo achade kakra kasia de bebre mu December na wo de me sa 1 million no de boamo se se me bi nyamedi se nyagopon no nyagopon ko apamo a odi mu nyagopon asa me so bede si wo aso kan o just me ti wo me hu de menka ana me hu de me ye anti si wo hwemanim 31 December me so me ya de bia mamo na aya shatudiama ni Kofi Job say me so here ni better say me na ka me stand for ta Onyakopon so ofeni perfect chem so there is who is Kofi Job and Kofi Job one of the best contractor in Ghana yeah kasia na dey so me boa ban o aban akwana zanya no yentim ka say dey ban eso dey discuss so yedma boa ban say aso na discuss yenye so dey boa yenkofo a and the motor fan come mama na mo hwemanim pre ne copy this first
me dina on behalf of the patients what to say and am ofefe e dia ma o e no kre say the chief kai no Contractor nipa bebre ba ha no more than half cannot even afford let alone pay the entire on behalf of the patients, on behalf of the management, on behalf of everyone, and then your family, we are saying a big thank you to you for this kind gesture. Nyame nhyira wo. Baby are you free ye bia no. Won shower na mu. Eye mfe. Na yenim say ne we share timi aye e de ahye asantema ni monyam. E de ahye Ghana fo ni monyam. E de ahye kuro anso ni monyam. Nyame nhyira wo. Yes.
Konfonoche ba me ba en say. You mu say konfonoche wo ba nkofo nya baby na nkofo de baby basa. Obu oso obawo sika kakrakra obetua na yayi no nya bi obu oso a operation onisika eno bebebe ana awrade akama koma me me yere say ya ba donation kakra ma konfo no je say 1 million Ghana titugo sika 10 billion say de bo no mfanya bi na nyam bo December ya wado ekase ya bese bebe konfo no che me hu na aha dwene ewiase turo be na utimu say ewiase enye de na say sika kra mfa so bi eni so sa sem ko ni binum say bidu dawo mema no say de mema kro ba ko me driver ba ko so onya cancer na ebe din say kra me didie na say akra no wa hoden o ye adwuma otwika kese na onya cancer ko na say nyina tatai ade a na me de me kan nyina kire ankra bia say ye say aban wo de na aban ko ntimi hwe Ghana nyina yesre obie ankra bi obi o kakra bia botumi de aboa nya konfono che hospital bia o Ghana bia no obi kakra obi betumi ye bia ade aboni bia obi amomode na onyi bi mfamoa so oba konfono che mo bia nkofo nya bi na ne bed crom das ko munya bi ne yale ahodro ne nkra kubeta ne adade munya bi ahomche nti na hyeme ne me yere se ye awrade da dum ye no efa bi so be dum omomuni bi mfamoa konfono che nti ne ba nka sa me man of God mini Nyankopon wa pam maka che Nyankopon sa da me firi onu Nyankopon chi akoso Nyankopon fufuro bi awade nkumi firi asase so menyi tumi bi ne ka Nyankopon tumi ho ewiase obi aworo gidie ni nyina ye twabre dura otobo yide wom mini tim ka se obi ye se yenye se be me de me Nyankopon di mini nyame wa pam ndi me mo gidie se me sam de ato binum so ene sika me de mo me sika konkron me de me nkofo me se enche meti se nkofo bebe yi mo firi konfo no che ya
obi be ka se Kofi Job towards hospitals in Kumasi that's all Suntreso Hospital so ko yede
shame se ke firi na Kofi December na Kumasi hospital nya meti ko Paul say wiase no menti ni do se ni pa mu bofo wiase no manyina ye kwa me believe wo asase so no wiase already shame obi me say one of the best contractor in Ghana Kofi Job aso me mfa no nya ho a me na nwini da kokora nka nche me say no sikada me nwini bi da me nwini bi so da de mo nyina Nyankopon de onyame ne de mame already Nyankopon mam da le say Kofi fa ko yesia no no ko ye na dwuma enti Kofi Job de nyese bia no mo tame na za hante da bi me nyame wa pam already mam da le etimi crusade agase nyina de nyame se menya no ena me ena ma baba ye no enye sa hanko adoye ne baby ya o nya madoye nya first time ya adoye ne o adoye de obu sam so furu ko baka tro adoye de asori fie baby ya me adoye me de me si ni penti na me pesika enye se bible say so do mu do nko se de me faso enye se mabusu afo me wo se mabusu ani bi wo ko bi ko wo ha obi obo se say but Onyankopon onye mani pa dale se yewe etimi de nyame ka me se menya no ena me ye ni penti ni pesika enye me yire ni man ko me pesika enti me buoni pa awo yesu Suntreso so yakwa omo se omo gibe fasa aha yakwa omo se nkra wo a nyama kitikiti bi wo a video de so mo ya no omo se omo so me tomato ma ko tan $20,000 ana ma sa mo sika se mo da ho nyina no Suntreso no omo operation no omo da ho mo timi twenso ifan yi omo enti ne Suntreso ko ne confirmation ko a afato mo se enu za afi no enu be je no February ne kuma se ya de hospital there efa no yetuma ko babia ko bo kakra.
And whatever he's had an encounter with God with, he's going to make sure that it has to come to pass. So we dreamt about it and then we made sure it became a reality. And today we have Kofi Job Foundation over here working for everybody. And it's here to stay. And it's not going to be like a 9-day wonder where you'd have it being in today and then the next day we don't have it happening. It's going to be an annual program to help every individual that we can help. So as he said, he's working for the people. And with you and the night together, we are going to make Ghana great. So why don't we help each other by helping Kofi Job Foundation become one of the greatest foundations ever? So that's the main reason why we are doing that. It just came to birth just this month, let me put it that way. But it has been envisioned before, and then it has now surfaced in this month. However, Contractor is not the only place that we are looking at helping. And it's not only hospitals. We are looking at prisons and other places, but we are starting with Contractor and then Suntreso Government Hospital currently. So we went there, we spoke to, I'm taking Suntreso, we spoke to the administrator and then the medical superintendent over there. He made us know that there are a lot of people over there who do not have the resources and even the funds to pay for their medical bills. They are there, and then they have to also pay their monies in installments. They can't even afford a meal for the day. How do you expect such a person to be able to pay for maybe 1,000 Ghana cedi hospital bill, or maybe if some of them are owing like 1,000 or 100 cedis, but they can't pay. But you and I, maybe you can afford it, but somebody cannot. So Kofi Job Foundation decided to clear all that debt over there for the people in Suntreso. And when my husband got there, he encountered a whole lot of things, and then they told him the things that they would need over there to in Suntreso. He went to the MBU, that's a mother-baby unit, where he saw that some of the preterms were not being cared for properly because they lacked some of the machines that they needed. For example, CPAP. You know, when normally preterms are born, their lungs do not really mature. They need these surfactants and all of that to help them mature their lungs, but they do not have it. So they are put on the CPAP to help them. But now we don't have this CPAP, meaning these kids are all going to die. It could be that that kid could have been the president of that country maybe some years to come, but he's gone. But now Kofi Job and then the Kofi Job Foundation initiative has decided to get this CPAP for everybody. Contractor to be catered for almost half of the bill of every patient here that was given to us. So that was the main purpose. Sorry, Mrs. Esther Jebi, yeah, aka Kofi Job's wife. Yeah.